Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to a world where sophistication meets comfort, where rugged charm intertwines with a welcoming ambience. If you're on the hunt for the perfect balance of bold masculinity and warm coziness, this is the inspiration you've been waiting for. The 2025 trend for masculine living rooms is all about merging timeless elements with modern touches, creating spaces that feel inviting yet exude confidence and style. Imagine stepping into a living room with earthy tones, rich textures, and a curated mix of furniture that speaks to both form and function. Think dark wood accents, leather sofas that grow more beautiful with age, and warm lighting that casts a golden glow on your evenings. Whether you're hosting friends for game night or curling up with a good book, the goal is to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Let's start with the color palette. The foundation of any great masculine living room begins with earthy hues, deep browns, slate grays, olive greens, and subtle shades of navy. These colors ground the space, providing a sense of stability and strength while remaining versatile enough to layer in additional elements. In 2025, we're seeing a resurgence of textured walls, from matte finish paints to statement-making wallpaper in geometric or herringbone patterns. If you want to add dimension, consider paneling a feature wall with reclaimed wood or installing faux brick to give the room a tactile appeal. When it comes to furniture, the mantra is simple: choose pieces that combine durability with style. A leather sectional or Chesterfield sofa is a classic choice that adds a touch of elegance while being incredibly practical. Pair it with a sturdy coffee table, perhaps crafted from reclaimed wood or industrial metal, to anchor the space. Don't overlook the importance of a well-chosen armchair. In 2025, mid-century modern designs remain popular, but with a twist. Look for oversized, upholstered options in rich fabrics like tweed or velvet. These chairs not only provide extra seating, but also contribute to the room's cozy vibe. What truly makes a masculine living room warm and inviting are the layers. Start with a plush area rug. A Persian or Kilim style can add a touch of history and personality to the space. Then layer in throws and cushions in complementary colors and varying textures. Chunky knit blankets, suede pillows, or even faux fur can elevate the room's tactile experience. Lighting is another key element. Swap out harsh overhead lights for a mix of table lamps, floor lamps, and sconces with warm-toned bulbs. The soft lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Hey there! If you're enjoying this video and gathering inspiration for your dream living room, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the like button if this content resonates with you, and let us know in the comments which ideas you'd love to try in your space. Your support helps us bring you even more stylish and cozy home inspiration. A living room should be a reflection of your personality, and in 2025, personalization is paramount. Showcase your interests through carefully curated accessories. A gallery wall featuring black and white photography, a collection of vintage books, or even a display of travel souvenirs. Plants are another must-have. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they also purify the air and bring a sense of life to the room. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like snake plants or pothos if you're not a seasoned plant parent. The beauty of a warm masculine living room lies in its ability to be both stylish and functional. It's a place where you can entertain with confidence and relax in comfort. By focusing on a cohesive color palette, investing in quality furniture, and layering textures and personal touches, you can create a space that feels uniquely yours. As we wrap up this exploration of warm masculine living room inspiration for 2025, we hope you're feeling inspired to transform your space into a haven of style and comfort. Remember, the best interiors are those that reflect your personality and make you feel at home. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest design trends. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these ideas speaks to your style? We can't wait to hear from you. Here's to making your living room as stylish and cozy as it deserves to be.